Hello Facebook. Hi everybody, Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie, and today I have a special guest with me. It's not often that I have a special guest on live with me, but I'll give everybody a moment to join in. Sometimes it takes a few minutes for people to log in and catch me live, so give you a few minutes. But in the meantime, before I introduce my special guest, I'm just going to go over what our $9.99 takeout special is this week. It is a tikka masala chicken with brown rice. That is available for takeout. That's our $9.99 special. We also have this awesome great deal for takeout. Buy one, get one free. You can get anything on the menu. You can get one thing and you get buy one and get one free. So if you want to do our ribeye, you can do our ribeye. If you want to do our salmon, you can do our salmon. You buy one ribeye and you get one free. So it has to be the same thing. But that is for takeout only till the end of the month. For those of you that don't know, our anniversary of the restaurant is in January. We opened on New Year's Eve of 2003 into 2004. And we always try to do something really big for the month of January to kind of thank you for all of your support. So that's our big takeout special for the month of January. So in the meantime, I have a special guest. Come on in. This is Jess.
Hi.
And I'm going to let her introduce herself and tell a little bit about what you do and yeah, anything you want. So go for it, and then I'll make my drink at the end.
So for those of you that might not know me, I am Jess Davis, otherwise known as Jess Delicious, and I'm from the Ulster County Regional Chamber of Commerce. I am here today at Aroma Time Bistro being spoiled with amazing food, amazing service, getting to hang with Jamie, and Marcus is somewhere in the back right now. This is so exciting to be on live with you because I'm sure probably like myself, all of you probably really found this happy hour live with Jamie to be a special part of each day through the pandemic. I remember early on in COVID how cool it was to see Jamie hop on right around that 4:30 happy hour time of the day where you know, you get home from work and you have a nice sip of something, whether it's wine or tea or your favorite
Or you
beer.
didn't go to work, but you needed a break, right? Because
Right.
you were at home, stuck at
So
home.
that 4:30 hour, but now everything is different, right? Except this brought us all together, just sort of like the Ulster Eateries group that I'm one of the admin for. It kind of brought us all together for happy hour, for drinks, but
So much fun.
we got to learn all of Jamie's secrets behind the scenes, so I'm really excited. My guest that's here with me this evening has already sampled this drink, and she absolutely loves it. So, Jamie, I'm going to turn it back to you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining.
It's so good to meet you in real life.
I said the same thing when you walked in the door. I was super excited.
But I do feel like I know you.
I think a lot of people feel that way. You know, I started these back in March of 2020, and if those of you that go, if you ever go back and watch one of my Facebook Lives, you'll probably be like, oh my God, we were awful. But you always have to learn, right? You always have to learn how to become better, and I was freaked out about Facebook Lives. I would try them, and I'd be terrible at them. Now it's just like second nature to me. I just come on and I just make a drink of the day. I do something that I feel comfortable doing back here behind the bar. So today I'm going to be making a pamplemousse rum punch. And let's see, so I like to go over my ingredients that I use. I'm going to be using rum 44 from Vermont, from Mad River. They make some awesome, cool spirits there. I'll be using Natalie's fresh grapefruit juice. I'm going to be using St. Elder Pamplemousse, which is a grapefruit liqueur, and I'm going to top it off with a little bit of soda. You know, again, when you're making these drinks at home, you can add a little agave, simple syrup if you want a little sweeter or not so sweet, but the pamplemousse has a little bit of sweetness to it, so I didn't add any extra agave to this, but sometimes I like a little bit added sweetness to it. But so yeah, so we're going to start with my glass. I'm going to put some ice in my glass.
Everything about this drink is so pretty. All the different shades of pink.
It's so fun, right? So, all right, I'm going to add 2 ounces of rum. I don't measure, but you know, at home, if you're making this for a party, you can make a big batch, or you could just make a single serving, like I'm doing. So I'm going to add my pamplemousse liqueur. So grapefruit liqueur, about an ounce of that. I'm going to add about an ounce of fresh grapefruit juice from Natalie's.
so fun. All these people are saying, hi, Jamie.
All right, yes,
Dave
hello
and
everybody.
Cheryl's on and Dawn.
So Dave has a restaurant up in Greece, New York, up near Rochester. So hi Dave, hope everything's good up there. Hi Mom, my mom is on. Hi Sabrina. Hi Cheryl. Hi Dawn. Thanks everybody for watching. And I'm going to top it off with a little bit of soda from my soda gun. I'm going to mix it on up here. Some rum on the bottom, didn't quite mix. And then I'm going to add a fresh piece of grapefruit. So I just have this really, look at that color, it's such a beautiful color.
The whole drink is so pretty.
There you go. And you know, one of the things that I really have started doing is garnishes. That's my new thing of the year. So I'm like really stuck on like really pretty garnishes. I have all these fun, cool little things back here. I have cinnamon sticks. I made you an apple, a non-alcoholic apple cranberry mule with a cinnamon stick in it. So it's kind of fun. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to taste this because I'm going to let the table have it. So I'm going to just taste it without drinking out of it. I haven't had this. This actually was a drink my daughter made. So, oh yeah, nice and fresh and light. Not super sweet, so really a nice winter drink. I mean, I love grapefruit juice all the time.
Me too.
So this is a really fun drink. So cheers, everybody. I hope everybody has an awesome night. Please stay safe out there with the snow. We will decide if we will be open tomorrow, depending upon the weather. I'm going to assume we'll open at some point. Marcus and I are always here, so we can stop in for a drink or something to go, or hopefully our staff will be able to make it in tomorrow. But please stay safe out there. We are still open tonight. Not sure what time this run is supposed to start, but we are doing our takeout special, and we'd love to have you join us either in-house or for takeout.
How can they find Jess on a regular
Yeah.
basis?
So I was just going to say thank you to Jess. And Jess, how can they find you on a regular basis?
So if you're not already in the Ulster Eateries United Facebook group that is run by the Ulster County Regional Chamber of Commerce, please head over there. It's Ulster Eateries United, and ask to join, be a part of the group. You'll see that Marcus and Jamie post frequently in the group. You can also check out the Ulster County Regional Chamber of Commerce YouTube channel. My visit today at Aroma Time will air this evening on our Ulster Eateries United Facebook page. Probably around 9 o'clock. I'm hoping to get that out.
If we are out of here.
Right as the store hits, but I don't mind staying. And yeah, and then we'll have this on our YouTube sometime midweek.
Awesome.
I do want to add one thing. First of all, congratulations on your anniversary.
Thank you.
I just want to tell you that I have just sampled so many amazing dishes. The burrata salad, the arugula salad, which had candied walnuts and roasted beets that are roasted to perfection. I had the tiki masala, which is magical. I want to learn how to make it just like they do here. I just had a roasted portobello, had a salmon dish. Oh my gosh, yes, I've sampled everything, and I will confess I've eaten more than one bite of everything here, more than two. But this special that they're doing right now is unbelievable. Buy one, get one. Not buy one, get one half off. Buy one, get one. Like dinner for two for the cost of one. And I'm so truly impressed to spend this time with Marcus and Jamie and learn about how they source local ingredients and how much care goes into every dish here. Something that Marcus said to me is that the food that they serve to the guests here are food that they serve to themselves and their family. That's so important to me. I just want to encourage you all, if you've never been to Aroma Time or if you haven't been here in a while, now's the time to get here. January is typically a slow season for our restaurants, so get out here and support and help them celebrate their anniversary.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
That's awesome. And great. So check out the websites that Jess told us about, and check out our I guess, is it a review? It's not really a review. It's just, what do you call it?
It's a Jess Delicious visit.
Jess Delicious visit.
And
Perfect.
yes, and that's just because I have to tell you, Ulster County is filled with amazing places, and Aroma Time just gave me one more reason to drive straight to Ellenville when I'm dining out, because it's been an amazing experience.
Thank you so much. I
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. Cheers,
Cheers.
everybody. Have a
Cheers.
wonderful night. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Hello, Susan. Hello, Joel. Hello, Matthew. If you were watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. Watching on the replay, hashtag replay. And I will catch everybody tomorrow, probably in the afternoon, for my Facebook Live during the storm. If you have any drink ideas, please send them to me. I'd love to hear from you. Private message me. Hello, Michael. Thank you for watching. And we'll see everybody soon. Have a wonderful night. Cheers.